Hello again, galing dito sa Atlanta. This is Arjo Turner. So I've started really sharing knowledge sharing about project and project management. Last time I've shared about the concept ng what is project management and then what are the different approaches. So today I'm gonna share the concept. What is of course project by itself? Ano ba yung sinasabi natin na project? So let's start with English muna na description, ano? So yung project is a temporary endeavor siya taken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Meron siyang resulta. Then they are focused on value delivery. So kasi ang emphasis ng value delivery niya is yung meeting mo specific objectives para makapag-create ka ng something beneficial either on your personal and or professional na capacity or mga improvements and anything fascinating that you wanted to get done given a limited period of time with limited resources. So mga examples, business, professional examples, software application to streamline operations, launching a new marketing campaign to increase in sales. Sa konteksto natin sa Pilipinas, mga flood control projects, mga buildings na kinoconstruct funded by ng government. So those are the kinds of projects na professionally like done, either government and or institution and or whatever entity yung gumagawa. Personal example naman, adding a new space or new space sa bahay ninyo if you already have a home, if you wanted na magkaroon ka ng extra space, new living space, or bahay kubo alongside, that is in itself a project. And or training for on running for a marathon to improve yung iyong health. That is also like a project. So, ang project, always lang nating tandaan that it is very specific, measurable siya, attainable siya, realistic at saka time-bound. So yung sinasabi nilang SMART definition ng isang proyekto. So when you are involved in any of the project, maybe you will be able to check and see kung ang project na yan ay really doable given the resources that you have. So I'll be sharing more about that concept later on. But for now, yun lang yung pinakatandaan nyo sa project. And most importantly, ano yung value? Ano ang kahalagahan ng na nagagawa ng proyekto ninyo para sa inyo mismo na naggustuhan na mangyari doon sa project ninyo. So ito yung Filipino version ng kung ano man yung ating proyekto. So as I said, a project can be a personal endeavor and or professional endeavor. That means organization, government, non-profit, and or business endeavor siya na hindi talaga personally nanggagaling sa iyo yung pera. Meron siyang structure, meron siyang project management team. So, you identify at this point in time, ano yung project that you are working on? Ano yung project that you are involved as an individual? May it be sa school niyo, sa komunidad niyo, sa city, sa town, or whatever that you are engaged with, local and or international. Ano yung mga project that you are part of? Feel free to share. And I hope to be able to also share more concepts that you could lean on. Bye for now.